through how to download 7-zip for Windows. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. 7-zip is a file utility app. It's going to let us go and compress files and also go and extract files as well. To go and get started, open up a web browser of your choice. Now what we need to do is go and type in 7-zip like so, and you want to come to the site 7-zip.org. Once you're here, we can actually see the downloads in the top left here. So most likely you'll be running a 64-bit system. Double check that if you're unsure, but most people will be. And you can press download to the left. Once it goes and downloads, you need to go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Go and find the installer just here. And you want to go and double click on it like so. You go and get this pop up and you can choose the destination folder and press install. You shouldn't need to change it. So now you've installed it, we can press close. And just to show you've installed it, I'll go and select these files here. I'll go and right click. And then if I go and click on show more options, we can see the option for 7-zip. I'll hover over it. We can add it to an archive, and we've got a few other options as well.